Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a tutorial on how to make a gingerbread house. Christmas is here and it's all the Christmas activities time. So for making a gingerbread house, first you need to get yourself a gingerbread house kit. Go to any grocery store, either Walmart or Zayre's or even Loblaws, buy yourself a gingerbread house kit and deassemble it. It will have all your gingerbread house pieces inside it and the icing pipe that you need to use as a glue and also the candy pieces that you can use as decoration. So right now over here we put all of our pieces on a butter paper on our table so that we can see them and not put them on any dirty surfaces. Then you want to see where you want to locate the put the gingerbread on your base so that you can see where they align in their place, how you want to put them. And next you want to knead the icing pipe. So you want to do that for 1 to 2 minutes till it becomes room temperature, and that way the consistency will become very glue-like and it will help to stick two gingerbread pieces together. So then take your front and back of the house and ice them on the corners. And once you've done that, you will then use those as support for the side pieces of the house so that you can have the frame ready. If you knead the icing long enough, then it will become very easy to get it out of the tube. If you don't do that, then it becomes kind of hard because it's not room temperature. So do knead it properly and then connect the iced part to the non-iced side and then the other side and then the back. And there you have the gingerbread frame ready. Next we need to get started with the roof. So for the roof you want to ice again on the edges of the top part and the front part and the end part of the house, right where you would put the roof and want it to stay. So don't be stingy with the icing. Put a lot of icing there because this is the glue that's going to hold your roof together, and roofs are tricky. They can slide down if there's not enough glue. So you want to put the roof and hold it over there for at least a couple of seconds. So there's a good support and less chances of your roof sliding down in future. Also, while you're putting the roof, remember that the pattern should face downwards, like how if the water were to fall on the roof, it should come trickling downwards. So don't mess the pattern, just pay attention to that. And connect the upper part of the roof also properly, and there you have the house all connected, the structure ready. Now all you need to do is use the rest of the icing to decorate the gingerbread house accessories like the Christmas tree or the gingerbread man that you might have gotten with the house, and also the rest of the house. So for the decoration, like the candy pieces also, you're going to use the icing as the glue. You put it everywhere, and over that you start putting your candy in order to decorate it. With this particular kit, the candy came in 4 forms. There was jelly, there was gummy balls, there was these small tiny balls, and there were also light form candy pieces which you could use to show that the Christmas lighting is on the house. So that was pretty fun. You can get pretty innovative. You can either follow the design which is on the box, or you can get very innovative with how you want to decorate. Just get your creativity out, keep a steady hand, and get icing the decorative pieces. There you go, Christmas tree. Once you're done with your accessories like the Christmas tree and the gingerbread man, you just need to decide where you're going to put your Christmas tree. Then you can put these accessories either on the Christmas tree using some icing, or you can put them around the place. So like on the baking tray you can put the tree, or even on the table you can stick the figures around the gingerbread house, make it seem like a gingerbread scene. Then just start decorating your house the same way. Start icing the roof, the windows, the bricks, and start making patterns to make it seem like it snowed on the house using the white icing. If you feel like it, you can start covering all the icing with candy. If you don't feel like it, you can also leave it like that to make it seem like just the snow is covering the entire house. It's up to you. Just go free with what you feel like, what your creativity feels like, where it takes you. Enjoy the journey. This is an amazing activity for people of all ages, not just kids. I think adults find it also very calming, and people make even competitions out of making gingerbread houses, which is very competitive sport too. And I have seen certain surgeons even use proper injections uh, for the consistency and the symmetry with which they make the gingerbread house. So yeah, either you can get super messy and just do it for fun, or you can even make like sport out of it. Whatever it is, it's your gingerbread house and make it as you want to make it. In the end, you will have fun with eating it, and you will have fun with your family, helping and comparing and assisting others with making this tree and seeing them laugh with how hard it is to ice a certain area. It looks very simple, but when you start icing, it can get pretty tricky. So, yeah, it's a fun activity which brings all the family together with all the Christmas vibes. So, have fun. Thank you for sticking with me and watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like the content I make, do follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I often make a lot of videos on TikTok and Instagram, but very few on YouTube because it's a lot more longer and time consuming, and editing takes a lot of time. So do follow me on Instagram and TikTok for regular updates about Toronto and things to do in Toronto.